Wagwan, my flavor pot family. Welcome back to the channel at Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. And first and foremost, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Your support is really and truly appreciated. And please continue to like, comment, and share out the video. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and join the Flavor Pot family. Thank you. So this morning I'll be cooking a quick and easy breakfast. So stay tuned and come let me show you what I want. So what's on the menu today? I'll be doing some Grace Tin Mackerel with sausage, or some people call it franks, and some fried dumpling. Okay, so here I have a bowl and I had like 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, less than a quarter of salt, 2 tablespoons of refined cornmeal, and a tablespoon of butter. So after combining all these ingredients together, you're gonna get some water and you're gonna gradually add water little by little to knead your dough. And you're gonna lightly knead your dough because you don't want it to be too hard. So after finish kneading my dough, I damp a napkin and I put it over the dough and set that aside for about 10 minutes to rest. Then I move right along to wash and cut up the seasoning that I'll be using to cook the tin mackerel. So I have some onions, some bell pepper, some hot pepper, and tomato. Next, I move on to cutting up my sausage or franks. Put that aside. I open and I pour out the Grace Tin Mackerel. Put those aside. Then I went back and I formed my dumpling, put them on a plate and let them rest again for about 6 more minutes. And that step is important. Then next, you're gonna heat your oil. Put the stove on medium heat. You don't want the oil too hot because you don't want to cook them too fast and burn up the dumpling. So after that, I start frying my dumplings, and you want to keep an eye on these because you don't want them to burn. You're going to keep flipping and flipping them on both sides until both sides come golden brown. Then after that, you're going to remove them, and look at this, nice and golden brown. Look at the texture, so good. So next, after that, I went ahead and used some of the same oil I used to fry the dumpling and start sauteing my seasoning for the tin mackerel. So I put in my seasoning, sauteing it a little bit. Then I went ahead and adding the sausage or franks. Right after that, I add in the Grace Tin Mackerel. I add some black pepper and a little bit of the Adobo all-purpose seasoning for tasting, and then a little bit of ketchup. It's not a must, but you can add it if you want to. A little bit of ketchup, and you let everything simmered in for like around 5 minutes, and voila, it's that quick and easy. That's it, you're finished. So you want to share yourself a plate and you sit down and enjoy all this goodness. Again, thanks again family for watching. See you again soon on another video. Blessings.